Oh, hey there, little girl. Want to go for a swim?
There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly.
It sound like 007 and 64. Yeah.
I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
What's all that shit you was talking about? What's all that shit? Get out my
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet,